Superb Electro. Superb Electro Machinery is a manufacture and service enterprise. Over 15 years development, Superb specialized in designing and producing various induction melting and heating equipment. Superb equipped with advanced equipment, 20-plus high technical engineers, 160-plus skillful staffs, and excellent sales for producing, inspecting, and operating. Superb Steel Frame Melting Furnace adopted the advanced KGPS technology and steel frame construction to realize fast melting, safety, and long life working. The remote power control box realizes electrical parameter monitoring and power adjustment. The hydraulic tilting control ensures the running reliability. Its application involves in steel plant to produce steel billets and reinforcing bars, mainly by co-working with continuous casting machine and rolling mill. Foundry to produce customized casting products, mainly made by iron, copper, and aluminum. Superb also customized metal heating equipment to meet various metal temperature requirements, such as billets heating, gear quenching, metal heat treatment. Superb has established wide cooperation with science and technology institutes both at home and abroad. All the necessary auxiliary facilities like continuous casting machine, water cooling tower, transformer, rolling mill, and relative equipments will be technically configured to secure customers' successful running. We do not only machinery, but also run the factory. As a high-tech innovative enterprise, we had much successful experience to help worldwide customers from Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, South America, and Europe to build highly efficient melting system. You are warmly welcome in Superb.